We are in Atlanta, Georgia at the Tough Shed factory. They invited me out to take a tour, see how all these sheds are put together, and hopefully I'm gonna see my exact shed before it gets put on the truck. One thing that really drew me to the Tough Shed brand is it's not a manufactured product in a factory overseas. It's all built in a small local factory closest to you, and they just put everything together, put it on a truck, and they bring it right to your house. It's all local people who are coming together to build your shed specifically. What I've been most interested in since I've been here at the factory is just seeing that everything is handmade, hand-painted, hand-built. I'm just so beyond impressed at the fact that there are no robots building things. There's no machines that are putting all this together. These are actual people who are hand-building each individual piece, and then it all gets delivered to our house, and then someone else is going to put it all together. My install is tomorrow. It's so exciting for me because we've been planning this for almost 9 months, and today it doesn't even feel real to me to be able to see the skylights stacked up on top of the windows, and it's all gonna be happening at my house, and just seeing everything put together, I can't wait.